Welcome to another Little Nest concept house tour. Today we're exploring a 4-bedroom tropical paradise designed for tranquility and a touch of whimsy. As we step into the front yard, you'll immediately notice the lush greenery and comfortable parking space for 2 cars. Standing in the front yard, we are drawn to the slat screen facade, which not only provides privacy to the upper rooms, but also cleverly screens out harsh sunlight, keeping the interior cool and comfortable. This feature allows for a more sustainable and energy-efficient home, while still allowing ample natural light to filter through when desired. The slat screens can also be opened to let in more natural light and ventilation if needed. Stepping into the house, the entryway welcomes you with a coat and shoe storage closet, a large round mirror above a bench, perfect for a quick check before stepping out. Moving along, the guest bathroom is a thoughtful convenience for guests and services the first bedroom. This first bedroom, which overlooks the front yard, though staged as a bedroom, could also be perfect for use as an office, a home workout studio, or a cozy retreat. Next, we step into the kitchen and dining area, designed with ample storage for all your culinary needs. The dining table is set in this space, perfect for hosting memorable meals with friends and family with a great view of the pond. Discreetly tucked into the corner of the kitchen, we find the hidden pantry cleverly utilizing the space under the stairs for storage of larger items. As we transition to the living room, folding doors offer views of the pond and nature. The living room is a true centerpiece of this tropical oasis, offering a seamless connection to the outdoors through its folding doors that open up to the lush backyard and pond. This design choice blurs the lines between inside and outside, inviting in the gentle breeze and natural light. The room is designed with relaxation in mind. The tropical backyard of this paradise home is a lush retreat. The hanging plants add a touch of whimsy, creating a green canopy that provides shade and privacy. The pond, stretching almost the full length of the side of the house, not only adds a tranquil element, but also serves as a focal point, drawing the eye and creating a sense of calm. The tropical vibe is enhanced by the carefully selected plants and landscaping, which bring a taste of the tropics to this urban oasis. Whether you're lounging on the grass with a good book or enjoying a meal al fresco, the backyard provides a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Up the stairs to the second level, a corridor leads us to the next 2 bedrooms. The spacious second bedroom is simply designed, overlooking the front yard. And sharing a balcony that runs the full width of the front of the house and leads to the third bedroom. The third bedroom is similar in design to the second bedroom and also shares the same long balcony, providing a serene spot to enjoy the tropical surroundings. The shared bathroom on this level is practical and stylish, serving both bedrooms 2 and 3. Right outside this bathroom, we find the laundry balcony, with a playful circular opening designed to add visual interest and bring in additional light. Finally, we enter the master suite, complete with a freestanding open vanity that acts as a divider for the room, separating the bathroom from the rest of the main bedroom area. The full bathroom is equipped with a bathtub, toilet and large shower, offering a luxurious space for pampering in true tropical paradise fashion. Stepping into the main bedroom area, you'll find it designed for a king-size bed, with a wardrobe running the full length, providing ample storage for all items you need as well as those that you don't. This bedroom benefits from views of greenery from a planter that runs around the outside, bringing nature inside and adding to the tranquility of the space. This house is not just a home, it's a lifestyle. With its perfect blend of nature and comfort, as well as a simple take on modern rustic design, it's the ideal place to unwind with a good book and a cold drink in hand. This house is 8 meters wide and 18 meters long, sitting on a site that is 8 meters wide and 30 meters long. If you're dreaming of your own slice of tropical paradise, visit us at littlestnest.com for detailed dimensions of this and other designs. As we come to the end of our tour, we hope you've enjoyed exploring this 4-bedroom tropical paradise with us. If you liked what you saw, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting house concepts and design ideas. Leave us a comment below to let us know which feature of this house was your favourite, or if there's a specific design element you'd like to see more of in future videos. Thanks for watching. Little Nest, the journey to your dream home begins here.